Yo, what's going on? It's Miguel, and in this video you are going to learn who the easiest person in your business is to sell to. Not sure if that sentence made perfect sense, but it is going to be super beneficial to you if this is your first time coming across my channel. My name is Miguel. So I own a six-figure agency, as well as I work with one of my mentors very closely on stuff that he has going on. So what I do in that agency is I basically build businesses for social media influencers, and I do that through the use of SalesFunnels and Facebook ads, copywriting, stuff like that. So if this is any of the kind of stuff that you're into, I just ask that you would subscribe. I highly appreciate it, and make sure you leave comments below letting me know what you think and what you would like to learn from this channel. So anyways, let's get into it. Who is the easiest person in your business you should be selling to who you probably aren't actually trying to get to buy something? Quick story: a guy walks into a store that you are working at. Let's say it's a jewelry store. A guy walks into your jewelry store, and you're for fact this guy has money because he's wearing a watch that you guys sell, and it's one of the more higher end watches. This watch is expensive as hell, right? So you know, okay, this is cool. This guy has money. This might be an easy sale. He's looking at some more watches around the same price range of the watch that he has on in that exact moment. So you walk up to him, you ask him about the watches, you let him try some of them on, you have him do a bunch of stuff, he gets the checkup, and then you actually offer him the more expensive watch, and you feel very, very good about this sale. So you're getting ready to send him this even more expensive watch. This is a $100,000 watch, and you end up getting a sale. Boom, he buys it. Now, it's your job to try and upsell some sort of watch repair kit and a watch cleaning set, as many of these as possible, and if you sell the most of these in this month, you get a bonus. Now, when would be the best time to sell him that cleaning set and that watch repair kit? Would it be right after he actually bought that $100,000 watch, or would it be later on through retargeting him with Facebook ads, through hitting him with emails, because you're obviously collect his email when he purchases something, and sending him direct email? So you're basically hitting him from all these angles later on after he buys the watch, or sell it to him right there on the spot with the watch. So before you even go on, I'm curious what you think it is. So pause the video, leave a comment below which one you think it is. Let's say A is you sell it to him right there on the spot with the $100,000 watch that you just bought, or B, you sell it to him later on through retargeting, let's just call it. All right, pause the video. All right, I'm assuming you're back. All right, cool. So if you said A when right there on the spot as he's buying the $100,000 watch, then you got it right. So the easiest person that you could possibly be selling to is someone who is buying something in that exact moment. And the reason for that is because of this thing called buyer's heat. What buyer's heat is, for whatever reason, and it happens to me too, whenever a person buys something, some people get into this state where they're like, oh man, like they get excited about the stuff that they're buying, so they start buying a lot. I did this recently when I went to Target to get the computer screen that I'm looking at right now, and then I got like really excited about the fact that I was getting to buy stuff for like business and like work stuff. So I ended up getting this keyboard, which costs more than I'm willing to admit on YouTube. But yeah, buyer's heat is a thing, which is why this is something that is very good to know, is that the easiest person it will ever be to sell to is someone who is buying something in that exact moment. And the second easiest person to sell to will be someone who has bought anything in the past. And that's because at that point, they know you, like you, trust you, and as long as they had a good experience with whatever they bought, they're definitely going to know, like, and trust you at that point. And that is why you should have a funnel inside of your business no matter what. If you don't have a funnel inside of your business, that means you are not selling to the people who have already bought from you. This is why Amazon has that whole frequently bought together. They're trying to get people to buy as much as possible in that exact moment. And the way you can easily do it is through a funnel, by having upsells on the back end, by putting an order bump on the order form. So you give people the option to buy. Don't say no for them. Give them the option to say no if they want to. Because some people are going to be very excited to buy the other stuff that you are offering them, especially if they've bought from you before. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope I've steered you further in the direction of using sales funnels, because they truly are dope. Once again, if you learned anything valuable from this video, I would like you to hit that subscribe button, and you're welcome to leave a comment and let me know what it is you would like to learn on these videos. I look through the comments all the time. I read every single one of them, like them, and reply to every single one of them. So if you want anything talked about on the video, the best place to get that done is in the comment section below. So leave a comment, watch some more videos, and thanks. Peace out.